What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we're going to be installing the IAG EZ Steps on our Ford Bronco. This is one of our favorite newer products for the Ford Bronco, and the reason we like it so much is because it works with the factory rock rails instead of as a full-on replacement. So as you can see, they simply hook into the factory rock rail. This right here is the V2. What that means is it has a 2-inch drop, whereas the V1 is going to come a little higher here. The additional drop is better for lifted vehicles, or if you have kids getting in the back, makes it a lot easier to grab that first step. Another feature we really like is the IAG logo here. As you can tell, we have it matched in the cyber orange. There are a few other color options you can choose from, but that's another really nice touch. Another great thing about this is they're sold by the pair. So if you have a 2-door Bronco, you're only needing to buy 1 pair. However, if you do have a 4-door Bronco, you will need to buy 2 pairs of these. Another thing we really like about this, working with the factory rock rails, is how easy they are to install and remove, which we'll show you here in just a bit. So if you're out on the trail and you need the functionality of a rock rail, you can simply uninstall these and you're good to go. So as I mentioned, these steps are a quick add-on that you can do on the trail with just 2 tools. So what we're going to need is a socket with a 5/32 Allen and then a 1/2-inch wrench. So if you plan on taking your Bronco off-road and you have these steps and you want to use your factory rock rails, what I recommend is picking up a cheap set of these to add to your trail tool bag. That way you don't have to keep it out of your home toolbox and you'll be ready to go whenever you're out on the trail. For each step, you will be given hardware, and that's going to be 2 of these studs and 2 of these jam nuts. All right, so we're going to start by taking our stud. We're going to leave the Allen head out. We're going to go ahead and just run it in. We're going to make sure that the stud does not protrude on this side. We're going to run our jam nut on. Just keep it in place. I'm going to repeat it here on the other side. Awesome, with the hardware in place, we're gonna go ahead and mount it up. Right here seems to be a good spot. I tested it off camera, but before you go ahead and secure the hardware in place, you wanna make sure that your step is in a good spot that you're gonna like day in and day out. So with our step in place, we're gonna go ahead and push down on it. We're gonna find our Allen. Then we're just going to go ahead and tighten each stud. So while continuing to apply pressure, we're going to take our 1/2-inch wrench. We're just going to go ahead and tighten this jam nut. Since our Bronco is a 4-door, we will be installing a second set on the driver's side here. These steps are identical, so you'll repeat the process exactly the same. All right, now that we have our IAG EZ Steps installed here on the Bronco, we're going to go ahead and test them out. So giving them a good step, we can see that they're nice and sturdy. They definitely aren't going anywhere. Definitely a must-have addition if your Bronco came equipped with the factory rock rails. All right, there you have it, the IAG EZ Steps. If you guys are interested in picking up a set of these, I'll go ahead and leave a link for that in the description below. Just remember that they are sold in pairs, so if you have a 2-door, only order 1 pair. If you have a 4-door, you will need 2 pairs. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more Bronco content, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked. And if you got a comment, drop it below. Thanks for watching.